Today I'm going to show you how to activate your AutoCut free trial in 30 seconds and finally save hours on your edits. No credit card needed. Stick around until the end of the video because I'm going to show you an Easter egg to get an extended free trial that lasts 2 times longer. Let's go. Go to AutoCut.com. Click right here on free download. Then click the Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve download button. Choose your version, Mac or Windows. Alright, install AutoCut by following the steps, then restart Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Now open AutoCut and right away a window pops up. Enter your email and an email is sent to you directly containing your free trial key. Go to your emails, click directly on the email from Adrian from AutoCut, then copy the key like this. Okay, now go back to AutoCut and paste the key right here. Now validate, and that's it. Your free trial is activated. You can now use AutoCut Unlimited for 14 days. Now for the Easter egg. If you want, you can even get 28 days free. That's a doubled free trial. Just click right here on the little gift icon at the bottom, and there you go. Now you have 14 days to complete all the quests and missions listed here to unlock the extra 28 days. And now that your trial is active, check out the other tutorials on the channel to learn every AutoCut feature and save hours of editing every week.